making progress. I've pulled the windshield and the hardware off the front of the car. I've done some preliminary sanding already for where I'm going to recoat the clear. I'll be masking up the engine compartment, keep all the overspray out of it and the dust to stay in it and not get out. So now we're at the point where I'm going to be sanding the clear with 1500 grit sandpaper. It's a nice slow process. And the next time we do this, it will be masked. And the time after that, hopefully, we'll be spraying some color. Well, after a full day of sanding, I have the entire area to be painted, all scuffed up. So it's time for some final masking and prep for paint. Moving along. And here we are with a little house cleaning. Prep the shop up a little bit, get it ready to paint. I haven't done very much painting in the shop, trying to keep the accumulation of overspray off of every bit and piece of the shop. But this is my Cobra, and sacrifices must be made. So get this all dried up. I've already taken a leaf blower and blown the shop out pretty thoroughly, including as close to the ceiling as I could get, around all the nooks and crannies. But it'll be what it will be. And the next step will be the final mask, preparing for paint. We will see you then. Thank you.